Bulavanaka and greetings from Suva. I am the former ambassador of Fiji to Beijing, Ambassador Yohane Naivalrua. I've been asked to say a few words to those of you, students that are still in China in this difficult and challenging time. I would like to encourage you. I know it's tough at the moment with your families out here and you are out there with the coronavirus that has affected lives and also a major issue with people in China. I know it's going to be difficult for you, but I wanted to say that do not give up. Be strong, be courageous, and pray not only for your lives, but also pray for this great nation of China, that there will be a solution found to eliminate this virus. We remember you with our prayers from here in Fiji, and please make sure that you look after yourself and take care of yourself. And on that note, I also wish on behalf of the Fiji government and the people of Fiji, as a former civil servant, convey to you our best wishes and blessings. And may God bless you all.